Hello there. So you want to know how you can check your battery cycles on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So you know how you normally do it on your iPhone. You simply go to your system settings, go to about, or just go to battery and then go to battery health and look for the cycle count. However, that's not going to be here on your MacBook. What you need to do on your MacBook is on the top left, there's going to be this Apple icon. If you just click on it, as you can see, there's not going to be much options. But if you go ahead and hold your option, when you simply go ahead and click on this, there's going to be a system information option. Simply go ahead and click on that and let this go ahead and start right over here. Now under the hardware tab, all you need to do is click on power and there you go. It's going to show you exactly how many cycle counts are going to be there, your battery condition, your maximum battery capacity, and a lot of other information that you want to even on it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.